I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the roller from the frame and protecting your hands and eyes. Submerge the nap in warm water for 10 to 20 minutes so the dried paint softens. Heat speeds chemical breakdown and loosens adhesion. Once soaked, hold the roller over a sink and use a metal scraper or putty knife to pry off softened clumps, working along the nap direction. Make sure to rotate the roller so you reach all sides and keep the water warm if the paint is stubborn. Once initial flakes are off, decide on solvent. Use plain water or mild detergent for latex paints and mineral spirits for oil-based paints, because chemistry determines which dissolves the binder. Submerge and scrub the nap with a stiff brush while spinning the roller between your palms. That mechanical agitation dislodges trapped pigment. Rinse thoroughly and repeat the solvent step if you still see color. Make sure to ventilate when using solvents, and keep scrubbing until the rinse water runs clear. You finish by giving the roller a final warm water and soap rinse, then wring or spin out excess water so it dries faster and prevents mildew. Stand the roller upright or hang it to dry completely, and gently fluff the nap with your fingers to restore pile uniformity. If fibers stay stiff or paint residue remains, repeat the appropriate solvent soak and scrub. If stiffness persists after 2 attempts, replace the roller because performance and finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.